Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. This is the part 2 of the lecture 8. In this we will see that how can we find out the gradient of the value 3x square y minus y cube z square. This is our scalar point function and we have to find out its gradient at the points at 1, -2, 1. So starting from our formula, del u is equal to partial by partial of x in the I hat direction plus partial by partial of y in the j hat direction plus partial by partial of z in the k hat direction. And outside the brackets we have u. So del u is equal to, the u will be multiplied inside, it will be partial of u by partial of x in the I hat direction plus partial by partial of y with u in the j hat direction plus partial by partial of z with u in the k hat direction. Now we will put the values of the u, partial by partial of x, and our value of u is 3x square y minus y cube z square in the I hat direction, and partial by partial of y, the value of u 3x square y minus y cube z square in the j hat direction, and then plus partial by partial of z 3x square y minus y cube z square in the k hat direction. Now we will take its derivative. With respect to x, it will be 6x y minus, it will be 0 in the I hat direction, plus 3x square minus 3y square z square in the j hat direction, and then for the value of z we have 2y cube z in the k hat direction. Now we will simply put the values. This is our x value, this is y value, and this is the z value. So 6 into 1 minus 2 in the I hat direction plus 3 into 1 square minus 3 into minus 2 square into minus 1 square in the j hat direction, minus 2 into minus 2 whole cube into minus 1 in the k hat direction. So our final answer will be del u is equal to minus 12 I hat minus 9 j hat minus 16 k hat. This is our gradient of the scalar point function.